Hi, my name is Cade, and I'm going to take you on a short breathing flow now. So just sitting comfortably, nice and tall through the spine, like it's long, but it's also fluid. The chest is proud and open, but it's also soft. No tension. Just let it dissolve down as you ground down into your seat. This breathing flow is an efficient one designed to help you reduce stress that might have just boiled up in your life, and then to also heighten your focus to make better decisions. This flow might be beneficial at work or when something stressful has come up in life, to allow you to step away, take a moment outside of that situation to just reset and come back to center, because we all know we make our best decisions when we are calm and clear. So if it feels right for you, if you can, just gently closing your eyes and softly fall shut. And just firstly feeling your body. As I said, we want to be sitting in this functional breathing position. But if you want to lay down, that's perfectly fine as well. And just feeling your body, the gentle rise and fall of the breath as this automatic function that drives all of the life inside your body. Just feeling the breath and the air moving in and down into your diaphragm. And the same in the opposite direction, coming out, flowing out of your nose. To start off with, we're just going to slow down the exhales. So I invite you to meet me at the bottom of the breath, breathing out now. And now breathing in just for 4, 3, 2, 1. And now the breath out will start really slowly, just letting it drop ever so gently, falling out to the bottom. And when you get there, we'll breathe in again, 3 and 4, and then out, starting super slowly through the nose here, like the breath is hardly moving as it just settles and lands down. And again, breathing in, feeling your side ribs expand. And then out, feeling the tension in the shoulders and the neck dissolve as you come into your breath and arrive in the present moment. And breathing in again. And slow, effortless, a little bit of control. Breathing out. Allowing the day to slip away as you land here with your breath. One more of those, breathing in. Feel yourself get a little bit taller. And out. It's like a feather that's landing on a quiet day, softly floating down to landing at the bottom. Now just breathing normally. The next exercise we'll do is Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. So you'll bring your index finger and middle finger to your forehead. And your thumb's going to block off your right nostril as you breathe in through the left. At the top of the inhale, you swap over your ring finger and pinky finger, close off the left nostril. The right thumb comes off and you breathe out the right nostril. And then you breathe in the right nostril. Swap over, close off the right nostril, open the left, breathing out the left. So it's out and then it's in. Swap out the right. in the right. Out the left. In the left. So continue with that. So you can feel yourself. You swap at the top of the inhale. And then you go out. And then back in. The invitation here is to slow down more and more whilst the breathing is slightly restricted. You're only breathing through one nostril. You're also balancing out the bodily systems here. Two different energy channels connected to the nose and the two nostrils. You're slowing down the breath. You feel your body slowing down, reflecting the breath. Every exhale, a chance to release tension, soften a little bit more. And now when you come to breathing out the left nostril, you can release your fingers in your hand back down to your lap. Just breathing naturally as we all arrive together. And then quite simply, we're breathing out and then in for 5, 3, 4, 5, and out for 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, feel your side ribs expand. Out, feel yourself slowing and softening. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into those ribs. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 2, 3, 4. Feel up. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5. In. Now bring it in a bit deeper, a bit faster, pulling the air in. And then out. Allow it to be a natural recoil, like an elastic band that comes back in. And then in, 2, filling up more in the ribs. And out. Letting it wash out like a wave spilling down the beach. Breathing in to the belly, the ribs, and then the chest, filling up a bit of that area. And then letting it out again as it washes down. Come to land at the bottom. Breathing in. And out. In, bringing in a bit more air again. Filling up and out, letting it go. In and out like a feather is landing, but now there's a little bit of air pushing it down on top. A bit faster. In. And we'll go for a little bit longer now on the inhale, breathing in more up into the top of the chest and out. It's a bit of a longer and slower exhale again. Breathing in deep, we're improving the capacity here, so really pushing out into those ribs, getting them to expand, the chest and upper back as well. And then out. We're slowing down the cadence of the breath, bringing in a more efficient breath. Last one, breathing in and out. Now just breathing naturally as I explain this next part. we're going to be breathing the bellows breath. So it's like a bellow for a fire. You push it in and push it out. It'll be through the nose, so you'll be forcing the belly button into the spine to push the air out. And then you'll use your muscles to expand the stomach really fast. So we're going in, out. You can start now with me. If that's confusing, you see my belly. Keeping that up. Just doing one round of these. Just bringing some energy into the body. Feel the energy moving around. It's like you're shaking up a can of soft drink. Start feeling things buzzing, sensations building as the intensity grows in the body. Keep going. Ten seconds. Three, two, one. Deep breath in, filling up from the belly, the ribs, the chest, all the way to the top. Holding at the top. Relaxing any tension. And sinking in to the sensations. Allowing tension to reside. So you come back home into your center and letting the breath out. Just letting it wash all the way out. And just sitting at the bottom of the breath. Again, relaxing the physical body. In this space, the blood has oxygen for well over 5 minutes. But it's the carbon dioxide that's building up in your blood. It's going to start bringing in the desire to breathe. That's how your body knows when it's time to breathe. So what we'll do in this next round is improve our tolerance to carbon dioxide. So we need to breathe less. Okay, breathing in now. And out, just letting that wash out. Breathing in again for 5, 4, 3, 2, filling up. Pausing for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. 2, 1. Breathing in. Pausing, holding, relaxing. Letting the breath out. Feeling yourself landing. Pausing, holding, releasing. And breathing in for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, fill up. Pause, hold, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pausing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go for 7 if you can. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause, relaxing the shoulders, staying tall, allowing the mind to be at ease, and letting the breath out a little bit slower now, a longer one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pausing, you might feel the desire to breathe, air hunger building. Know that this is very good for you to get adapted to. And breathing in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doing really well. Now in for 8 if you can. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pausing. Just knowing that whatever you're doing right now is really good for you. There is no right, there is no wrong. There's just feedback. Letting the breath out. Allowing yourself to let go of any self-judgment or expectations. High achieving. This is just you and your breath. Pause. Let go. This is your chance to just be you. And breath in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel everything inflate. And then pause. You stay inflated, but you relax. And out. And pausing. And just a nice normal big breath in. And out the mouth. We'll do 2 more of those. If you're in the office, breathing in. Maybe just a humming sound. If you don't want everyone to think you're weird. I say that doing weird things is good. Everything that's silly feels really good. You should lean into it. Feel comfortable in the uncomfortable. It's how we improve our nervous system's feeling of safety in new environments, in new situations. It's a good job today. I hope you enjoyed the practice. I hope you feel more calm and centered and clear. Enjoy your day.